So the first thing when you're patching the corner is to get some mud in the corner. And I like to use a 4-inch. And I'm just, you can see I've already put some on here. I'm just pushing a little bit in there and kind of scraping it back. So I don't have a ton in there, but I've got plenty. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my tape and I'm just going to measure it out with my eyes. I'm just going to go, I just got this short distance, which I need to tape. And I'm just going to put my finger on it. And then I like using scissors. So I'm going to take these scissors and I'm going to cut a nice clean line. And then I'm going to take the tape, and the tape has, if you look here, can you bring it up real close? I don't know if you can see that, but there's a natural fold. It doesn't want to fold this way, it wants to fold this way. So you go look for the side where the fold is. So you see the fold, now we're folding it in the side that it wants to fold. And then I like to take it, I like to just run it through the water like this with the fold on it. Run it through the water with the fold on it. And then I just take it and I squeeze out all the excess. Just squeeze out all the excess. And then I unfold it and I'm going to put it back up here. And now I'm just going to press it in very gently. And I'm going to use the 4-inch blade or even the 8-inch blade to press it in just real gently. Now I'm not really pulling. I've got light as I'm covering the light there with my body. I'm not really pulling too much. I'm just pressing it in. Just pressing it in. Just pressing it in. Okay. So that's nice and pressed in the corner. And now I'm going to go over and get the cornering tool. So if you don't want to buy these, that's fine. You can just do it without them, but they're so helpful. So I'm just going to press in like that and pull it down. And then when you press it in, if you push harder, it's going to pull more out. And if you change the angle, then it leaves more. So now I'm going to go up. So you see how I started in the middle and I went down, and then now I'm going to start in the middle and I'm going to go up. Now you see I kind of screwed it up. So I'm going to come back with this and press it in. There we go. And then now I'm going to take this 8-inch knife. And I'm going to press a little bit on the outside. I'm not pulling hard. I'm just pressing light. Just pressing in to get some in the middle. I know some people like to wait for the tape to dry, but I don't have that much patience. And I'm not really pulling very hard. If you pull too hard, you're going to move the tape. So just push it in real light. There we go. And then now I'm going to go back with the cornering tool. I have a bigger cornering tool, and I'm going to use that one for it. And again, I'm going to start in the middle, and I'm going to peel it down. I'm start in the middle. Start in the middle, and I'm going to push it up. Ooh, I took a little too much off. So now if I back it off a little bit, change the angle, make it a little bit steeper like that, it leaves a little bit more. So I'm going to try to do that. I'm going to try to leave a little bit more so I don't expose the tape. Kind of screwing up. It's hard for me. I need a ladder. Can't quite get up here. But don't worry about perfection. You can always come around and fix your mistakes. Your goal is to not see the tape. All right. And I think we're going to call that good for the coat of the patch. If you come in there, you can see that I did expose the tape just a tiny bit, but for the most part, the tape is not exposed. Hope that's helpful.